5 foods you are eating wrong. Most people trying to live a healthier lifestyle know that healthy food choices plays majority role in healthy lifestyle. But what most of us overlook is that healthy eating goes beyond what foods we choose. Here are 5 foods that majority of the people consume on a daily basis which they are probably eating completely wrong, and let's find out how we can better slice, dice or cook them to optimize our healthy choices. Vegetables. If you are boiling vegetables, you are boiling the nutrients right out, plus it's easy to overcook them and turn to mush. Boiling may expose the vegetables to a temperature where the nutrients are killed. Especially when boiled for a long time, there is no doubt about it. Roasting is the best option. You will get much more flavor and a nice crunch. Fruits. If juicing is the only way you are consuming fruit, you are majorly missing out the benefits. Juicing is all the craze, but fresh juices are loaded with fruit sugar. This can actually lead to weight gain. Where you are going wrong is throwing away the pulp. That's where there are so many nutrients, nearly all the fiber and lots of antioxidants. So next time, skip the juice and just eat the whole fruit. Why? Because your gut is itself a juicer. It just works more slowly. Meats. It's a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, niacin, zinc and iron. The problem is that it can be also loaded with saturated fat. It should only make up a small part of your diet. So choose only lean cuts and trim all the fat from your meat before you cook it. Nuts. Raw nuts contain phytonutrients. These inhibit the absorption of vitamins and minerals. Soaking and sprouting them begins the germination process and helps to shed these enzyme inhibitors off of the nuts in the water. Soaking the nuts might also be the solution to stomach upsets that often come with consuming raw nuts. Coffee. Along with the caffeine boost you get, its antioxidants help protect your cells. It can be a low-calorie choice instead of sugar-sweetened soft drinks, but only if you avoid the syrup, sugar and creams added to coffees. Stick with the basic brewed coffee, in other words, black coffee. Don't think about adding milk and sugar if you want to get the fat loss and energy boosting benefits of coffee. These are 5 everyday foods that you are eating wrong. For a healthy life, make sure you consume them in the right way. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a video is posted. If you wish to know more foods which you are eating wrong, please hit the like button and also share it with your family and friends. Please check out my other videos to lead a healthy life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.